किलो इसको पॉज करा दिए रेड से इस तरफ पॉज कर इसे दबा
क्लिप उठा दो
इसे दबा दबाने इसे की
क्या पासिंग दो
हां पॉज किलो इसे दबा
गाड़ी ला
hundreds of kilometers across, with winds up to 320 kilometers an hour. A hurricane spells disaster for any craft in its path.
कोल्ड ड्रिंक गणिया कोल्ड ड्रिंक 25 रुपए
बोतल बियर का वो बियर का
देखो आने पूरा
90 meters before he finally managed to escape. The strength and direction of every hurricane is monitored in detail by scientists at the National Hurricane Center in Miami. But despite their efforts, Mother Nature still springs surprises. The awesome power of storms such as Hurricane Andrew in August 1992 can shock even weather experts like Jim Lushine, sometimes with heartbreaking results.
Looking at the satellite pictures, putting out the hurricane local statements. My wife, who lived in the house for 20 years, this is it.
When Hurricane Andrew reached the edge of the Bermuda Triangle, its full fury hit their home in Dade County.
For several hours of what was happening. Turned the corner around the block where my house was, and my house really wasn't anymore.
Its immense destructive power makes the hurricane one of the most studied weather systems on Earth, and possibly the most rational explanation for the tragic events occurring within the Bermuda Triangle. Every fact we've learned about hurricanes may help dismantle the mystery of the Bermuda Triangle. From space, we watch their every move, while here on Earth,
essentially sort of the fuel for the hurricane. That's what it needs to sustain itself, to derive the energy which then drives the wind essentially in the storm. Another thing that you need is you need winds that are favorable so that the storm can preserve itself. You have winds that are blowing from different directions at different altitudes for things like
foreign travelers inside the triangle are approaching hurricane. Along with better navigational systems, this may explain why there have been fewer disappearances as the years have gone on. The hurricane cannot provide the sole answer. Hurricane season only lasts for 6 months, from June to November, and many disappearances have happened outside of the triangle. Other natural phenomena could be part of the problem. Water spouts, tornadoes at sea, are things that could take different proportions and be huge in impact.
on a road that you can watch, they probably last for 5 or 10 minutes or so.
Water spouts may appear without warning. But although they are dangerous and unpredictable, water spouts are too weak to sink big ships. And with thunderstorms comes lightning, a constant threat. Dave Deeds has been a dive boat captain for Stewart Cove Diving in Nassau for 14 years.